Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the biotechnology and its applications, that is the scope of biotechnology. In that we are going to discuss about the beneficial aspects of transgenic plants and some of the biosafety issues concerned with genetically modified crops. And also we are going to discuss about the BT cotton. So now coming to the beneficial aspects of transgenic plants. Some of the beneficial aspects are as follows. BT cotton is resistant to insects, and transgenic potato plants resistant to fungus Phytophthora. Transgenic tomato, that is flower sour, is bruise resistant, suitable for storage and transport due to delayed ripening, offers longer shelf life. Transgenic golden rice obtained from Taipei is rich in vitamin A and prevents blindness. Male sterile plants of Brassica knapus will eliminate the problem of manual emasculation and reduce the cost of hybrid seeds production. So this is about the aspects of transgenic plants. And now the second question, that is the second one topic we are going to discuss, is biosafety issues concerned with genetically modified crops. Some of the important safety issues concerned with GMO, that is genetically modified crops, is there is a risk of altering the fundamental nature of vegetables and fruits, transfer of allergens or toxic substances into human beings and other animals, a risk of gene pollution due to new gene transfer into related local varieties through natural outcrossing results, formation of superweeds. Superweeds may become resistant to weedicides. They may bring about changes in natural evolutionary patterns. And the third one is the account of BT cotton. The soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis produces cryproteins, also called as crystal proteins, are toxic to insect larvae like tobacco budworm, beetle, etc. And these cryproteins, also the crystal proteins, exist as inactive prototoxins and get converted into active toxin due to the alkaline pH of the gut, which solubilizes the crystals. The activated toxin creates pores to the epithelial cells of midgut that cause the death of the insect. So some of the example proteins are like Cry1AC and Cry2AB, control the cotton bollworm. So these are some of the topics we discussed and which comes under the biotechnology and its applications, that is the scope of biotechnology. Thank you, children.